Welcome back, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Logji channel. I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to be unboxing the Beats Solo3 Wireless On-Ear Headphones today in the 10-year anniversary. Did I already say that? 10-year anniversary, sick black and red colorway. So they're still at $299, so that's pretty interesting. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's go get it. Okay, so let's get to it now. We've got the Beats Solo3 unboxing today. We've got the 10-year anniversary in the black and red colorway, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited to get this done. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so we'll just slide that out there. Came out pretty smooth, I've got to say. We've got the front branding on the box here. I just want you guys to have a quick look at that. Keep the plastic on. Always good to keep boxes for resale value, just in case you do want to sell it. Now we've got the branding on the back and the image on the side, which looks really impressive. So that's that out of the way. First hurdle. Now we have the really cool looking smooth matte box with the slick branding there. So just a bit more technical writing on the bottom here. Now these Beats, they're my first Beats. I usually have had Jaybirds and I've had some Planetronics before, and I do have the Sony WH-1000 such and such on the way. I wanted these headphones, and there's the logo. There's the logo. So I really wanted these just for the gym only, because apparently they stick to your head really well. I have been using Soundpeaks at the gym, but I just wanted something with a bit better sound quality. Now don't rag on me guys, I know Beats have been copping flack for sound quality, and here's a protective case with the 10-year branding. Some branding on the zip there, really cool. In my opinion, that looks really cool. I'm not sure if it's going to protect too much because it is quite soft. Now I'm sure there is something under here. We've got a tab here, and hopefully we'll have some more surprises. So we've got the instructions there, what it looks like. Now these headphones, they've got 40 hours worth of battery life, like I was saying. You've got LED battery gauges. You also have noise cancellation. You have a little clip there, so you can clip it onto your bike or your backpack. We have some sort of cord there, so you can actually plug it if you don't have a lightning cable. And also we have the micro USB charging there, so that comes in handy. Everyone has a charging USB, so really convenient to charge these. Now there's nothing else in the box. Now just going back to a few specs here. So you get your carrying case. You got a 3.5mm remote torque cable, and also you can take phone calls, and also it has a really cool, alright, so now we have that came out right how I wanted it to, actually, picture perfect. So they actually fold up really compactly, so you can take these around. I don't think I'm going to use the carry case there. I never use any carry cases. I just have them lying around all over the house. Find it kind of inconvenient trying to find one, so I'll just take these wherever I can. But as you can see, you got the really soft PU leather looking earphones. You have the matte black red colorway. We have the logo there in red, so everyone can see that it's a Beats by Dre. And just going here, hopefully we'll be able to get these tested out and get a review soon. I know the Beats Solo have a lot of reviews, but if you want to see more of these types of unboxing videos, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification. See ya!